Good morning. Today I'm going to explain you about the basic difference between prefixes and scientific notations. Student, sometime arise a question that both can be written in powers of 10. So what is the difference? So there's a basic difference between both. Prefixes can be written in powers of 10, yes, but we are using here symbols to explain further the powers of 10s. Symbols are important like atto, femto, pico, kilo, giga, mega. These are the symbols for powers of tens. That's why 4.8 into 10 to the power 6 watt is written in 4.8 megawatt. So mega is prefixes, and scientific notation is basically you're writing or explaining the big quantity or very small quantity in terms of 10, in powers of 10. You're actually writing the number, very big number or very small number in terms of 10. For scientific notation, there is no need to write the symbols for the prefixes table. You're just writing the number in some power of 10, like 6.3892 into 10 raised to the power 4. But when it comes to prefixes, if you are going to turn this number 6.3892 into 10 raised to the power 4 to in terms of prefixes, so you just have to arrange the point or arrange a number in that way that you can fix the prefixes symbol here. Like you can make it 10 raised to the power 6 mega, or you can convert it in 10 raised to the power 3, so it will become prefixes. But here the 6.3892 into 10 raised to the power 4 is simply the scientific notation.